Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Dale and I'll be walking you through the process of upgrading your version of ESET Security Management Center or ESET Protect. Now, during the installation, the ESET Protect server component install can become stuck. This is due to the current ESET Security Management service not responding. So, we've downloaded the installer, saved it to the desktop, extracted it, and now we'll go ahead and run it. Click Next on the screen. Select Upgrade All Components. Click Next. Accept the terms in the license agreement. Click Next. Click Next with the default options selected. Select the current installation of Java and click on Upgrade. Now the installation process will begin, but you'll probably find that the ESET Protect server component will not upgrade, and so we'll head on here to Services so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, so we'll select ESET Security Management Center Server Service. It's in the running state at the moment. And what we'll do is we'll keep refreshing until you see it going into the stopping state. There we have it. The service is going into the stopping state, but it will not go into being fully stopped. We should see an error within the installation within a few minutes, and we can proceed from there. There we have it. Installation not successful. Installation failed. Do you want to uninstall installed components? You can simply say no. And we can close that. So this error is due to the current service being stuck in the stopping state. I'll show you here in the Windows Services. ESET Security Management Center server service is stuck at stopping. We can refresh that to verify. So what we want to do here is change the service, go to its properties, and choose the startup type manual. This will allow us to simply reboot the server and not have the service come back online by itself, and then we should be able to proceed with the installation. So let's go ahead and do a reboot. Is back online again. Let's head on over to Windows Services to ensure that the service has not started up. Here we have ESET Security Management Center server service. It's still set to manual and the status is offline. So we should now be able to proceed with the installation without further issue. Let's go ahead back into the setup. Upgrade all components, accept the license agreement, click Next, select Java and upgrade. And there you have it, the ESET Protect server service has been updated. And in the next video, we'll be looking at the Apache Tomcat installation issue during this setup process. Please like and subscribe for more tutorials and leave a comment below if you require any additional assistance. Thank you for watching.